In this quick video, we're gonna go from this to this. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mike 3Rs. This is a quick and easy video where I'm gonna show you how I make this door to fix better in the frame. The door was it looks like it expanded a little bit or a lot actually. So I had to reduce some material of it using a planner so it fits perfectly. So I'll be using a planner. I got this from Lowe's. This is like $14 or 15. I'm also gonna be using sandpaper 180. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start by uh, using the planner. It's like kind of a brush motion that you do on it, and make sure while you're passing the planner, you go evenly on the door. You go flat on it. After you work the door until it closes and open easily, you just gonna sand it using the sandpaper. Make the edge smooth enough to get painted. I painted the inside of the door and also the edge that was worked, and I changed the doorknobs so to make it look more modern and nicer. So this is the end result. This is a quick restoration, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment. Thank you guys for watching the video. See